Hello guys, today's video is a little bit different because we are doing a get to know me. So come get to know me. Hi, my name is Levi. I'm 22 years old and my goal for this channel is to be able to put myself out there more and show people stuff that I enjoy doing. So yeah, I have 2 accounts on TikTok and Instagram, a cooking account and a main account. I will redetail all of them, redo all of them, and basically start posting more about my channel, for my channel, some random daily activities I do, stuff like that. So yeah, they will be linked down below in the description, both of the channels, both of the accounts. So there will be 4 accounts. I also have a Discord and a Discord server, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with that right now, but yeah. If you're interested, if my fans are interested, you may join me. But you have to put it on my community tab, which I have open, so I know that you will like to be in it. It's also strictly 16 plus right now, because it's not a community server, it's just a friend server. I can turn it into a community server, but right now it's just like friends. But if you want it changed to community, I could sort it out. You get me? But yeah, things that I enjoy. I enjoy gaming, I enjoy cooking, I enjoy random daily activities, stuff that will be on this channel. Gaming won't really be on this channel. I've got a Twitch for that. Twitch will also be linked down below. So yeah, that's fun. Things about me. I am transgender. I know some people won't accept that. That's okay. I'm fine as long as you don't cause problems about it. And I'm also autistic. Yes, I have autism. It's undiagnosed, but it's like very obvious that I have it. And my hair is annoying me. So yeah. And then what else about me? I really like Sanrio. This is Kurumi. I really like Sanrio. And in future I want to get into traveling, because that's something I'd really enjoy. I also am on the waiting list with Gender Clinic. 22 years old and haven't even got a gender clinic yet. That's crazy. My favorite foods have to be pasta and noodles and rice. And my favorite drinks are like milkshakes, Dr. Pepper, and I like juice as well. I like summery or fruity juices. I also, yeah. My mother has an account. So yeah, she does TikTok, she does YouTube. I think that's all she does. But she has an account. So yeah. I've done YouTube in the past. I've been doing it since I was like 12. Whenever I was 12, I was doing random vlogs. I was 12. I think I was actually 11. I can't remember. I was 11 or 12. But I would just do the most randomest vlogs ever. I really like K-pop, so you will notice like some videos I do are centered on K-pop or something like that. Yes. I am learning to sew, so eventually there will be upcycling videos of upcycling clothes that I don't wear or thrifting and stuff like that. I want to get into cosplaying as well, so I will do videos on that eventually, once I'm more into it. So yeah, I'm also a very big collector of certain things, and my current collection is DVDs. I have like a bunch of childhood ones and stuff. And then, yeah. I will be doing just random videos. Won't have a set schedule. I did have one. Don't have one anymore simply because, I don't know, I just want to at least post once a week. Or try to. That's gonna be difficult. That is 52 videos in a year. Yes. Hard. But yeah, I will also start doing like reaction videos and stuff like that. But I wouldn't know how to record that right now. I'm gonna be getting an iPad, so eventually I will be recording it, like doing videos on my phone and recording on the iPad. So yeah, that's what I will be doing eventually. I also do my editing on the iPad and stuff as well. If you're into like Roblox gaming, my Twitch, it will be on my Twitch anyways, but it won't be constant, as I am trying to do like story-based gaming on there. I finished Tell Me Why. It's by the same producers and makers of Life is Strange. So yeah, that is a thing. I don't know what to say. I am so lost. But yeah, if you have any ideas for my channel, ideas for my Twitch, leave them in the community tab. That is open. Anyone should be able to comment there. Yep. I will put polls up there as well about it. Like polls of what to do in the week. So if you like, comment, even just in the video, about ideas for the channel. It's a food and vlog channel. Well, food and life channel, basically. It's a life channel. It's a food and life channel. Yeah. So if you want to comment down below with stuff like for me to do on this channel, that will help. I also would like as much of the content I make to be able to be posted on TikTok and shorts and stuff like that, because that will help me. I am not using AI. I can like use AI for certain recipes, like AI generated recipes, like actual recipes, not food. I am not recreating AI generated food. I am not that skilled enough yet. But I can do like AI generated recipes. So yeah, just leave suggestions down below for this channel. And yeah, thank you for joining. I know I just yapped for 10 minutes, but yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!